All right, today I'm going to show you guys Sukhasana. Those are the good old knees. Sukhasana, easy pose, easy seat. So first we'll start on the ground with our legs out in front of us. From there, we need to cross our legs at the shins, directly in the middle of the shins. From here, we're gonna let our knees fall onto the feet, like so. Now we need to lift our torso up. We can do that by bringing our hands down and pushing into the ground a bit. So we're creating an upward motion in our abdomen and upper body. We're still relaxing our knees and legs down onto the feet. We can stay here, or we can bring our hands to our knees, like so, continuing to relax the legs down while lifting up through the crown. We want our head over our heart and our heart over our sitting bones. This is Sukhasana, easy seat, used at the beginning of a lot of yoga classes. It's also used for seated meditation. One modification that you can make to easy seat would be to maybe have a blanket or a bolster. Fold your blanket 3 or 4 times and you could sit on top of it. This will raise your hips above your knees, releasing some pressure, maybe in the knees, ankles, hips. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your yoga.